Here we go, everybody. It's the last day of the month. Nasdaq 100 is coming up to that 50-day moving average. I talked about it last night. Okay, that's on the NDX 100. And not only that, look at the buy signal, everybody. That's plus 26. Yesterday, we had a daily buy signal of only 11, and that's that momentum. And we're pushing right up there on top of that 50-day moving average. Now, let's go back to the weekly. When we get into the weekly, we're pressing up on the 10-week moving average. Once we get above that, and that weekly sell signal now is a lot better than what it was. It's fairly deep. It was 120. It's only minus 110. That's on the weekly on the NDX 100. Now, back to the daily. With the increased buy signal, that 50-day is resistance. Let's take a look at the Nasdaq Composite Index. That Nasdaq Composite Index 50-day moving average is up there. However, yesterday on the Nasdaq, we had a sell signal of minus 14. Today, it's a buy signal plus 3.78. We hope to come up on the Nasdaq Composite and the Nasdaq 100 and get above these 50-day moving averages. Right now, we have a 266-point move in the Nasdaq Composite. In the Nasdaq 100, for the bulls, 252 points, 19.6% up. But that is that wall of resistance, no matter what. And we're going to have to deal with that part of it. So, once again, it's the beginning of April. It's starting tomorrow. Passover Friday, markets are going to be closed. But there are many good things that come out of it. And March Madness was not good for the tech sector, and we all know it. And still, nonetheless, there's going to be volatility. And that volatility is still here, except this thing, if we can get above these 50-day moving averages, I talked about it last night. We filled it here, and then we got below it. And now we're back at it. And we need to take that out in a big way. And that's what we're looking at. And that is for the bulls and for the month of April.